Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I wanted to announce a very big update that Kartra has made, which is going to be a fantastic help to anybody who's trying to create like a website, a full website with Kartra. So one of the bugbears, if you like, one of the sort of issues with creating a website with Kartra was that usually a website has multiple pages, several pages, and then whenever you made a change to the header or the footer, you would then have to go and edit each page individually and change that header and footer. Now, fair enough, you could save the header and footer as a template, which means you would just have to go into each page and then edit it and drag the new perfected header or footer across, that's great, but it is time consuming. So now they've released Kartra Sites, which enables you to group all of your pages together to form a site and then share header and footer elements across all of the pages, so you update in one place and then share it across all of them. So obviously it's going to save a huge bit of hassle. So how do you make use of this then if you're a Kartra user? Well, right now, whenever you go into your account and you go to your pages, you're going to see this, no site in particular, above all of your pages. And that is because at this point we haven't created a site, i.e. a collection of all of your pages. So how do you do it? Well, let's go to this thank you page here, just as an example. Go to edit, and then you're going to get the chance here to manage my sites. And then we're going to put here, so I'll put agency here as an example. And then you can go through and then tick on all of the pages that you want to be inside of this site. So like for me, then it would be like agency. So here you can see agency homepage, privacy page, terms, and thank you. So these are all the pages that I want in this site called agency. And then once I'm done, you can then make sure that that's there. And now you've got your site called agency, and this page is within it. You can then also import all of your global elements, such as the header, footer, custom styles, lots of other things into this page. But you can't do it until you've actually gone into this page, created the ones that you want to share across all of those other pages. So if I just go into edit, it'll make a lot more sense when I show you like this. So here we are now, the page is just loading, and we'll get an opportunity to start sharing the footers and headers across. So up here now, you're going to see a new little icon that says sites. So here is a page here within one of my funnels, the agency funnel. And by the way, if you're looking for any pre-made funnels that are going to save you even more time, especially now you've got this feature, if you go to jasonwest.com/funnel shop, you will find a whole bunch of pre-made funnels. There's webinar course selling funnel here, strategy call funnel, product launch. All of these different funnels are going to save you an absolute ton of time if you want to grow your online business. But go through, have a little look. It's at jasonwest.com/funnel shop, and I'll put a link under this video. But getting back to this here, so now we go to sites. We're able to then tick on header menu or footer menu or any of these other different things that we want to apply to all of the pages that are in that collective site. So if we say that we've got this header perfect, exactly how we want it, we want this to be the header across all of the pages in our site, all we need to do is this. Just tick on here where it says header menu, and then click apply, and then it will have put this header onto all of those pages in your site. And the same applies for the footer, perhaps the help desk. So you don't have to keep selecting the help desk for each page. You know, same with exit pop-up, alert bar, all of these different features here can now be directly put across every page that you have said is in your website. So I hope that makes sense. That's the only time you'll have to really do this is just do this once and then apply it to all of the pages in the site. Obviously, if you go and add more pages to the site, then you'll also get an opportunity to apply all of these different settings, because up here is import from site. So you've got an import feature where you can import things like the header and footer from the settings that you've created. So I hope that makes some degree of sense. I know it sounds a little complex, but actually it's a pretty awesome system. For example, no more do you have to go into settings and then go to tracking code and then add in your Facebook pixel code or your Google code on every single page in your site. You just do it on one of them and then make that just go bang across your whole website. And then anytime you want to come and make a change to one of these, and by the way, you can make individual changes too. So say you wanted this page not to have this home link, you can delete it off, click save and publish, and that is how it will be. But then if you make a change to this page here and you want every page to be like that, then just go ahead again and then you can go up to sites, get it right, and then just click apply here again to export that header menu across all of your pages. So it's a clever system, and it's going to save a lot of time and a lot of keep logging in every time you do some kind of navigational change to log into every single page in Kartra and then go and edit it accordingly, which is a real pain. So it's a great update, and it makes Kartra a much more viable option really to create websites with. The drag and drop system's fantastic on this. You can create landing pages, videos, everything, which is why I've created a lot of funnels using Kartra. Plus, of course, you have the automations, video hosting, and all of the rest of it. But again, if you want to have a nice funnel done that's proven to work, come to my website. It's jasonwest.com/funnel shop. And then you can get full sites like this all done for you, course membership funnels, real estate packages, all kinds of different funnels that are going to really help grow your business and speed up the development of your sites and make the most of this very, very powerful platform. So that's Kartra Sites. What an update. That's really going to make Kartra a fantastic solution for building full websites now. And as you know, or if you're a Kartra user, it's dead simple to start creating pages and building pages with Kartra, which is why it's such a fantastic tool. But now with this added, it makes it a genuine tool to make websites and not just landing pages. So go and enjoy it. And if you want any help with your funnels, come see me, jasonwest.com/funnel shop. All right, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.